Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a brand new 2023 Dodge Ram, secured with a Starline system by us at Immobiliser Fit. So a thief gets the key, does a relay attack, breaks into your house, steals the key. They go to drive it off, put it in gear, you'll see it hop straight back into park. Even if they try reverse, it's going to go straight back into park and the vehicle's going to be immobilised. So what the customer's got to do is either go through a push sequence of their choosing. So for now we've set 1, 2, 3, 4. Hear a disarm tone, they can select their gear and drive off. If they're not a fan of push sequences, they can turn their Bluetooth on, which is set with an adjustable range and can be paired to up to 5 phones if multiple people drive the vehicle. So their Bluetooth can be on, be locked in their pocket, they just get in and start. They hear their disarm tone and they can drive straight away, no need to put in a code to drive off, does it all through the phone. If they want to take this for a service, they can do it through the app. So they'll just go into the Starline key app, press and hold on here on their connected phone. It will spin round and go to yellow. Let go, we get 2 bleeps, that puts it in valet mode. So when it goes back to Dodge, just give them the key. The immobiliser is completely disabled and they can work on the vehicle and do what they need to do, road test it, service it and so on. When you get it back, to make it secure again, press and hold like you did before. When it goes back to green, let go. 2 bleeps and we're protected again. So now we'll just turn the Bluetooth off. If you wanted to give it a test, you could turn the vehicle off, give it 10 seconds and then try and test it and see if it immobilises. If you want to change the code on this vehicle, we'll double tap the button. Because our Bluetooth's now off, we'll pop the code in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get our disarm tone. Now we'll press any button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cycle the ignition off and then back on with a double press. And now it's ready to learn the code. So we'll just change it to, we'll wait for a confirmation and repeat it again. Wait for a confirmation again, and that's the code changed. There we go, now we'll turn the vehicle off. Next time they get in the vehicle with their Bluetooth off, they'll start it up. You'll see the old code doesn't work, 1, 2, 3, 4, unable to drive it away because our code's now been changed. So what they got to do, give it sort of 10 seconds if they've made a mistake with their code, then try the new one again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Disarm tone and they can drive. If you want to get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a Starline Pro on a brand new 2023 Dodge Ram. As you can see, it's only got 177 miles on it and the customer wanted it protected straight away. Once again, our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.